Don't worry, my child. I really mean it when I say that your heart is in danger. Yes, you are about to have a heart attack if you don't take care of your health right now. I'm very serious when I say this, my dear, because your heart is in danger. You are very close to a major health problem that you can still avoid by being careful and obeying. Don't get scared. Don't let fear rule your thoughts. Remember that I am here, and that these words and the power that flows from my spirit into you will save you. I always keep an eye on you. I can see that you are tired, that you are confused, and that your chest feels heavy. That night when you can't sleep, and that morning when you're already tired. I've seen your tears and the times you smile to hide your pain, acting strong even though you're breaking inside. I'm here now because I won't let the darkness take you. During many storms, you thought you were alone, but you were never really alone. It was me who kept your beating steady when it wanted to slow down. When you could hardly stand, I was the one who held your soul together. I was showing you the way when you could no longer see it. Right now, my child, you are at a crossroads. One way leads to mending, and the other way leads to harm. Make a smart choice, because each day is valuable, and your life has meaning beyond what you can see. You can expect God's kindness to come back to you in amazing ways. You've been rough on your body as if it could carry a huge load forever. But a tree that is very strong will break if the storms never stop. You don't have a hard heart. My breath lives in this living home, a holy place that needs peace to stay alive. Take care of it with more than food and rest. Give it peace, forgiveness, and kindness. Your heart suffers in silence every time you choose anger, hatred, or fear. But if you choose peace, thanks, and kindness, your heart can breathe again, and my light can easily flow through you. I have been warning you for too long, but you have yet to listen. You are not at war with the sudden tiredness, the shortness of breath when you're in a hurry, or the pressure you feel in your chest. They are my words telling you to calm down and get back on track. When I made you, I took great care to make sure you were perfect. Each and every heartbeat, vein, and cell was made with love, but you need to keep what I made safe. Your heart will have a hard time holding on if you keep going without stopping, eating things that make you weaker, and worrying about things that were never meant to bother you. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I love you too much to keep quiet. As you type Amen, let God know that you hear Him. You believe that to be strong, you have to never give up, cry, or show sadness. But real power is having the guts to stop, breathe, and heal. Now put your hand on your heart and feel it beat. That's me telling you that God has a reason for you being alive. Every beat is my voice telling you to keep going, but do the right thing. Do not waste this gift by not taking care of the things that keep you living. Take walks in the sun, drink water, eat foods that make you feel good, and rest when your body tells you to. You're not lazy. When you get there, you'll be rebuilding the temple I gave you. My dear, you need to clean out your heart too. You still carry around painful memories and words that make you feel bad, and they ruin your peace. You keep going over the events of the past and hanging on to pain that doesn't belong to you anymore. Give it up. Forgive those who hurt you, not because they deserve it, but because you do. Keeping your anger in is like holding fire. You are the only one it burns. Let go of it, and you'll feel better. It will be fair, I promise. Just look out for your own peace. Don't think I'm too far away. I'm almost as close as your next breath. I can see every tear you try to hide and every thought you wish you could shut out. I'll take care of what you can't manage. You find yourself planning every little thing because you're worried about losing it all. Hey, just a reminder that you're not the one running the whole universe. I'm here. You can trust me. Letting go of control can really bring you a sense of peace. Your heart will take it easy. Your breath will become deeper. Your body is going to begin the healing process. This is the way to start living again. There are folks around you who might seem like they care, but they're really just looking to take advantage of you. Take a break from the people who add to your stress and hurt. I really care about them, but I prefer to keep my distance. Pick peace instead of trying to make everyone happy. You've been putting in so much effort to earn love, but honestly, my love has always been yours from the start. It can't be added to or taken away from by anyone. It's always there, steady and timeless. People might stop approving, but I'll always be here cheering you on. Take a moment to really let that truth resonate within you. It's really important to talk to yourself with kindness. Your inner voice has turned a bit critical. You tend to be your own toughest critic, don't you? Hold on a second. Talk to yourself like I would, with kindness and understanding. You're still picking things up. You're still on your journey of growth. You've made some mistakes, absolutely. But that doesn't really define who you are. Whenever you get back up, it makes me really proud of you. Whenever you pick kindness instead of bitterness, it's like heaven is celebrating. It might feel like you've failed, but honestly, I see a win every time you keep pushing through. Don't dwell on the past, it's gone. Don't worry about what's coming next. I've got it in my hands. Enjoy this moment right now. This is where I'm at. When you walk, take your time. When you eat, take a moment to appreciate it. When you take a break, do it with confidence. No need to hurry anymore. The world is always on the go, but your soul takes its time, moving at the rhythm of forever. Stick to that rhythm and don't let the noise distract you. I've put together a plan for you, and as long as you stick by my side, nothing can change it. Hey there, my love. Your heart is not just strong physically, it carries so much spiritual significance too. When it starts to weaken, it usually means that your inner life is a bit out of balance. Make sure to fill your heart with joy, laughter, prayer, and some quiet moments. Step outside and enjoy the breeze. It's my breath brushing against your face. Check out the sunrise. It's like my light is here to remind you that each day gives us a fresh start. Please try not to get too caught up in sadness. When pain shows up, just let it come and go. Your teacher is there to guide you, not to control you. Take what you can from it, and then let it go. I'm going to fill those empty spaces with my peace. To really heal, you've got to let go and forgive yourself. It's time to stop being so hard on yourself. What's done is done, but you have the power to choose your next steps. Pick life. Opt for peace. Pick health. Every choice counts, even the little ones. Hey, how about choosing water over something harmful? It's a much better option. Share hope rather than grumbling. Take a break instead of pushing yourself too hard. Why not smile at your reflection instead of frowning? It's the little things done with love that can start to bring back what you thought was gone. Don't let despair trick you into thinking it's too late. As long as you're still breathing, it's never too late. I've brought the dead back to life. I can definitely help you regain your strength. Your story isn't finished yet. What you see as the end is really just a new chapter. There are still pages to write, songs to sing, and joy waiting for you on the other side of this storm. Right now, you might not be able to see it clearly since you're feeling so worried. You'll see soon enough why I asked you to hang in there. Believe me, I'm still at it, even when things are quiet. Watch out for what you let into your mind. The stuff you watch, read, and listen to really feeds your heart. Give it light, not darkness. Bring positivity into your environment. When you help others, you end up feeling better yourself. When you lift someone up, you end up feeling stronger yourself. The more love you share, the more I'll give back to you. This is how my kingdom operates. When you give, you grow, and being kind can unlock opportunities that just being strong can't achieve. Yes, just a little reminder, your heart is more than just a muscle. It's like the gateway connecting your spirit and your body. When things are calm, everything else just falls into place. That's why I'm asking you to keep it safe from stress, hatred, and neglect. Listen to what your body is trying to tell you. If it hurts, pay attention. Take a break when you're feeling tired. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. It's totally okay to need care. It doesn't make you weak at all. Even my best helpers needed a break. You're just like everyone else. You're a blend of dust and light. and it's important to appreciate both sides. It seems like you've been avoiding facing yourself, looking for ways to fill that emptiness with distractions. But I'm telling you, take a good look at what's inside you. Please don't run. Let's tackle it together. I'm not going anywhere. We'll work through the wounds together, one at a time. I get that some pain runs really deep, but just know my love goes even deeper. I'm going to dig into those hidden spots you've kept tucked away for years and shine a little light on them. It's okay to cry. Those tears will help clear out the old hurt. Once you're done, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and free. Don't forget to be grateful. It's more than just being polite. It's like a remedy for the soul. When you say thanks for the little things, it really makes your heart grow and helps to ease any fears. Being thankful can really unlock opportunities that fear tends to shut out. Even when times are tough, there's always something to be grateful for. Take a breath, soak in the sunlight, share a kind word, and embrace another chance. Once you begin to embrace gratitude, you'll notice shifts in your health, peace, and spirit. This isn't magic. That's just how truth works, you know. Don't be afraid of death, but also remember to really embrace life and not take it for granted. I've given you this time not to spend it worrying, but to make it meaningful. Let's lend a hand to those in need. Just be honest. Love with all your heart. Make sure to laugh a lot. Let go of grudges fast. Release what doesn't uplift your spirit. Life might push you to toughen up, but remember to keep that softness inside. Your gentleness is a form of power. It lets my light shine through you. When people notice your calmness, they'll understand that I'm right there with you. You really don't have to get everything figured out. There are a few questions that we just won't have answers to at the moment. That's all part of having faith. Keep moving forward, even if you can't see the entire path ahead. I'm not expecting you to be perfect. I'm just asking you to be open to it. How about I help you out? Whenever you trip, I've got your back to help you get back up. Whenever you call my name, I'll be there to respond. Don't let your mistakes define how valuable you are. Gauge it by my love, which stays constant. You'll encounter challenges again. That's just how life goes. But this time, tackle them with some wisdom. No need to freak out. Take a deep breath. Let's take a moment to pray. Look after your body. It's the place where your soul resides. Taking care of it is a way to show me you care. Don't wait for pain to make you stop. Pick rest before you get too tired, healing before you feel unwell, and calm before things get hectic. You've got the ability to switch things up whenever you want. Go ahead and use it now. I'm not up in some distant sky, far from reach. I'm right here with you. Whenever your heart beats, that's my rhythm. Whenever you feel compassion, that's me shining through. I'm not just your creator. I'm here to be your companion too. Come take a stroll with me. Let's chat. Your voice never gets old for me. What are your fears, dreams, and failures? I'd love to hear about them. I'm already familiar with them, but when you say them, it feels like your soul gets a little lighter. My dear, just take a moment to listen to me with a calm heart and a clear mind. I'm not here to scare you, but to help you see things clearly. You've been wondering why it's important to take care of your health. When you live with gratitude, your body, your mind, and your spirit begin to heal. This is not magic, it is true. Do not fear death, my child, but do not invite it by neglecting life. I have given you time not to waste it on worry, but to fill it with meaning. Help others, speak truth, love deeply, laugh often, forgive quickly, let go of what does not serve your soul. Type yes, Lord. If you open your heart to blessings today, the world will try to make you hard, but stay soft. Your softness is your strength. It allows my light to pass through you. When others see your calmness, they will know I am with you. You do not need to understand everything right now. Some questions will remain unanswered. And that is what faith, I say, walking even when you cannot see the road ahead. I am not asking you to be perfect. I am asking you to be willing. Let me guide you. Every time you stumble, I will help you rise. The angels in my life watch over you. They won't go to sleep. They're not going to leave. They're not going to fail. Your house is lucky. Your body is getting better. Your way is now clear. Tomorrow is safe for you. You'll feel great, lighter, and calmer when you wake up. You will know for sure that heaven has touched you. My child, please rest. The fight is over. The getting better has begun. The promise is coming true. You are now being helped by everything that was against you before. Things that were broken are being fixed better. With growth, everything that was lost is being brought back. You're not the same person you were yesterday. You are becoming the person I made you to be. Keep going forward in hope. Don't doubt my timing. Don't get too angry. Do not close off your heart.